Little bit to the right. Go ahead. Ahead this time, ahead. Keep going, he will stop for you because there's no space for him. And now slow down a bit so we can come to the left then. And we are turning left in this road.
This one here?
Yeah, signal left. And then turn nice and slow. Nice and slow, good. It's a different junction, okay?
Yeah.
So look at the junction and then make decision. What happened here on this road when you were turning? Why did you steer really fast?
Because it's speed again.
Yeah, so I think your only mistake is speed when you enter. So end of the road, turn left. Well, our light is red. Let's turn right this time and we go to the crossroad.
Watch this car's come down.
Yeah, he will stop because his light is red. Is he turning?
Don't know.
I think he's stopping.
Yeah, I think he
something.
stopped.
Yeah,
Right, safe?
yeah, let's go. Because the light is for him, not for us.
Yeah.
So we turn right and then we turn left in next road. This crossroad. Good. He stopped here. That's fine. Keep going and then left.
You're letting me go.
Yeah,
He is.
he's a good guy, patient guy. Keep going.
So if you're turning right, do you do centre and left mirror?
Center and right mirror
Right.
to turn right.
So it's what way you're turning?
Yeah, which way
Right.
you're turning that side.
I couldn't remember if it was the opposite or the same.
No,
So
it's
the
opposite.
same.
Like if you're turning left, center and left. If you're turning right, center and right.
Yeah.
You keep going. Now you remember? So whichever you're turning left, so you're checking on the left.
Yeah.
Both mirrors are linked, okay?
Yeah.
So center and left. First center, then left. Okay. Okay, this is good turn, good, well done. And we're gonna take next road on our left this time. This road, okay?
Yeah.
Good. Now you're checking. So we check inside mirror the traffic behind and left mirror. So if it's safe, wherever we're turning, is it safe?
Yeah.
We tell ourselves and then we said, oh no, it's fine, we're gonna turn. So it's really important to signal, check mirrors, okay?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna take second road on our left, second. This is first, second. This second,
Oh, here.
yeah.
I can never tell in these little streets if the driveways
Yeah.
are roads.
These are unmarked junctions.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're turning left. Today when I go home, I'm gonna send you some PDFs
Yes.
so you can read them
Yeah.
on unmarked junction, roundabouts,
Yeah.
and minor, major roads, how to turn right, how to turn left, everything I'm gonna send you today.
Yeah.
Okay, so read them. Okay, end of the road, turn right, please. So look at the car. When this car go, then we turn right. Keep looking both sides. Okay. Yeah.
Yep, safe.
Good. this crossroad we're gonna go ahead. So remember how you did it last time. Look there, there's car coming. Okay, so we're stopping behind the junction. So we're creeping slowly and we're looking there because this is a closed junction from this side. This side is open, we can see properly. This side is
Right.
blind. Okay?
Yeah, right, safe.
Okay, then go. Look again and then go. Good. Sure. So did you see the hazard area?
Yeah,
This dark corner.
yeah.
Okay? Keep going ahead, then end of the road right, please. Center mirror and then right mirror. You are only weak in this area now, mirror
Yeah.
checks. So we need to increase this, okay? Peep and creep again. Good.
Yep, safe.
Yeah, that's fine. Good, well done. Good observation. In some junctions, you are really, really good. Okay, so keep going ahead now. The speed is fine. It's 17, 18, and the road speed is 20.
20.
And 17, 18 is fine. Keep going ahead. Look at the gap. So we just slow down between and then we go slowly. Move a little bit to the right now and then we go. Good. This is fine. Keep going now. End of this road, this time we're gonna turn left. You're turning left.
So do I turn into this one a bit?
So we just angle
Rather
your
than
car,
going straight,
angle
yeah.
and stop. No, we angle our car, angle
Yeah.
like this.
So if I go right, I want to be straight, don't
Yes.
But I want to turn a bit.
Yeah, for the left turn, you angle your car to the left like you did now.
Yeah.
This is a perfect angle. For the right turn, you need to be straight. So
yeah.
you look both sides then.
Yeah.
But now you're turning left, so you can look there and you can
Yeah.
look there as well.
Yeah.
So keep looking, then turn.
Right, safe.
This position is fine, perfectly fine, okay? So we turn left. Good. And now go ahead. Look at the road layout now. So we go this way. This is fine. Yeah, good, nice.